Hello everyone, welcome back. Change any logo into 3D without any plugin. Let's get into it. Open After Effects and export PNG image. Adjust its scale. Now pre-compose the layer and name it. Now go to Effect Panel and add Shatter Effect to the logo layer. Now change View to Rendered. I am using fully transparent image. Now go to Shape, change Pattern to Custom and change Shatter Map to Twitter Layer. Now open Force 1 and make this value 0 exactly like me. Now open Camera Position and rotate logo from Y rotation to C side angles. Now add value to expansion depth to make logo thick. You can see now, but gap is created, so we'll fill this gap with colors. To fill the gap, open Textures, go to Side Mode and change it to Twitter. Go to the lighting, change light type to first composition, and change ambient light value to 1. Now you can see gap is filled. Now we change its color. I select the main color with pin drop, and now I make it darker, so it looks like shades. Now we make animation. Add keyframe to Y position, make value 0 at start and 359 at end. And done, your logo with 3D look and animations is ready. But it is looking thinner, so I am increasing depth to make it more thick. Now it is looking perfect. So hope you guys love the tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to channel. See you in next tutorial.